To refill the fuel, remove the glass cylinder from the burner. Pour a maximum of 1 liter of ethanol. Be careful not to exceed the maximum tank capacity of 1.5 liters. Pour the fuel slowly, giving it time to absorb. If any fuel spills, simply wipe the burner gently with a tissue or a soft cloth. Use a long lighter or long matches to ignite the fire. After lighting, place the glass cylinder back onto the burner. A full fuel tank lasts for approximately 3.5 hours of burning. Never add fuel while the fireplace is lit. To extinguish the fire, use the snuffer. After using it, leave it on the burner to minimize ethanol evaporation. Never refill fuel into a hot burner. After extinguishing the fire, wait at least 20 minutes for the fireplace to cool down before refueling. Remember that after extinguishing the fireplace, there may still be ethanol left inside. When refueling, ensure you do not overfill the tank.